Okay, so make sure that your printer is switched on first, your CY printer. So that needs to be on. Then you'll open the door in the top here. Okay, then you'll take your paper flanges, left or right, it doesn't matter, on either side. Make sure to squash that all the way down onto the edge of the paper so there's no spaces. So it needs to be flush with the edge of the paper roll. And you'll fit that back in. And make sure to follow the instructions here where it says paper insert. Okay, so it loads in like that. It will go through over this blue roller, and you'll see that the arrow here shows where to push the paper into. So behind this this black section here. So you'll roll until the printer makes a beeping sound. Okay, you'll then make sure to fit your ribbon to the respective color. So you'll put the left side on top, the left side in first. So do the top section first. So that clips in this side and it clips in that side. And then on the bottom section, make sure to fit the little ribs in first, and then you press it closed. And when you're about to finish off, just make sure that the ribbon is quite tight. And notice also that this ribbon unrolls this way and the top one pulls this way around. So it's not that way and that way. So it's that way and then that way. And then you should be good to go. So you'll close your printer and it will now cut off 4 sheets of paper. Okay, just wait for the last one. And then you should have no errors here, just the power light.